Today, I rise like the sunrise. I'm bright, I'm upright. No one can broke my vibes. I mean, not care who want fight and who want criticize. I'm on a higher height. People, this morning me wake up. I'm say me take on the road and try a little vlog life. So this is me doing a little exercise. Go and walk up the road, see how much steps me can get in the morning. Yeah, you girl, outside. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. I don't know who needed to hear that this morning, but there, I said it. Keep doing the hard things until the hard things become the easy things. It's a blessing to be outside this morning, taking in nature in its glory. The water look pretty, man. I mother stand up and look all day. What would I say? They say? How I really say? It look like it's a danger. I'm not sure. Me zoom in. I say? Oh no, it says danger. No trespassing. You don't have to tell me twice. Let's go. Bye, duck. Have fun. People, this is Florida. Anything wet is dangerous. So I'm heading back home. Good morning, everyone. Have breakfast with me. Kind of feeling under the weather. I went walking this morning. For some reason, I just feel like I'm catching a cold or flu. I don't know what they call it, but I have some breakfast and I am going to get on with the day. Okay, some time has passed and I've decided that I am going to take my daughter to the beach. No, I don't feel 100. My mind is not telling me that I want to go to the beach, but she has wanted to go to the beach for a while. And I keep promising her and I have not. So I'm going to take the opportunity to take her to the beach. She doesn't know that she's going. Me just get up and say, all right, fine, let me do this. So let's do this. Let's go to the beach. If you snooze, you lose. Call me a go away. Are you always on that beach? Give me one. No, go brush your teeth. And then something there. And ready yourself. I'm such a bad flower mom. I got 2 live flowers from one of my students and I got these bouquets and you believe me, say me have them, I'm gonna put them in the water. I'm gonna take them and put them in a little vase. And oh, I have another one. And if any of my students are over here, I'm not promoting content for kids, but okay, I got this one from Rylan. I got this one from Brantley. I got this one from Carson. I got this little goodie bag from Hayden. And I'm unboxing it because I know you guys be trolling me. Okay. Yeah, this was from Hayden. So she gave me a little this. And a beautiful smelling candle, warm apple pie, Wow, it smells so good. Mainstay is the brand. What else? She gave me a little trophy and she says, oh, it's because you're the world's best teacher. Thank you, Hayden. She gave me a card and she said, thank you for everything you have done this year. Thank you, Miss M. Love, Hayden. Yes. So, it's almost the end of the school year. And Hayden said, Miss M, you're so awesome. You deserve a gift card from Dunkin' Donuts. Alright, Hayden says, I shall get myself a cup of coffee or some donuts. Alright, what else? Now, I got this from Violet. Violet says her mom made these. Her mom has a candle company. It's called Amethyst and Amber Candle Company, inspired by nature. And I'm not sure if the fragrance inside is blue opal, but it says blue opal and it smells real good. So here's the opportunity to unbox, and it says thank you for your purchase, although I didn't purchase it. It gives the website, which is www.bestfunstore, and that's an invitation to order if you like. And I really like, I see it wrap up in a paper, See the amethyst and amber. Oh my god, it smells really good. Ooh, no, I need to see the detailing on the side. Yeah, amethyst and amber. And look on the top. Oh my god, look at some. Nice. I put on my little something. You see me? My little bracelet. This is from Taylor. And I know Taylor is over here. Taylor made this beautiful bracelet for me. See my Jamaica colors? Yes. Alright people, don't waste time. It's time to go. Here we are going through the door and we're going to take on the road. So here we are driving and we drive and we drive and we drive and we drive. We are currently on Florida's nature coast. And so we're going to Pine Island Beach. I've been there once. It was after the storm. I didn't get to swim or anything and I didn't get to see the water. The place was pretty flooded in September. So we're heading back. It reopened in spring and so we're gonna try to take in Pine Island Beach today. Alright people, look for me. I'm a little girl outside. Alright, so I want to show you what the park looks like. Okay, so we're at the beach. See it there? See she there? She is up to her knees in water with a little beach ball, and I know disappointment might be taking over, but it's just what it is. So how it go? How have you found the beach so far?
It's weird. Arabs.
I've seen 2 crabs. Oh, what else?
A lot of fishes.
A lot of fishes? That's good. Oh, what?
And it's so silky. Like I was sitting down one day, talking to one of my friends, and then when we were ready to come back, when we were ready to move, I had to use all my strength and pull up my foot because it's sunk in there. So like quicksand. Don't like that.
Okay. Alright, so a few hours later we decided that we're gonna go out to dinner. Can you guess where we're going? Yep, guess and tell me if you know where we're going. Alright, so we put on the makeup, just the finishing touches because I'm already dressed, and gonna go relax. Put on the perfume for my girl, and the perfume is called Mamba. Alright, so yes, if you guessed it, we're going to Texas Roadhouse this evening. We're gonna sit and eat. Anybody want any of these steak to buy? Alright, and we eat and we enjoy with ourselves. See the girl in the phone. So I'm going to take another shot. And now we're going home. End this vlog or whatever this is. I'm gonna end it right here, and I'm gonna ask that if you watch this video to the end, please leave me a like, please share with friends, and let's build a beautiful community here on Zing's Real Talk.